Okay, I'm going to see if the old Hayterette will go. Just done some emergency repairs to the deck. 3 of these bolts on the handles here that connected to the deck sheared off one day when I was dropping it out the back of the van. And that was it, that was the last time it ran. So it was summertime last year, so it got to be a good 6-7 months ago, maybe even slightly longer. So we're just going to see today now. Give it a run for the first time. I know we're going to put fresh fuel in it. We're going to leave the fuel that it's had in it all that time and see if it'll go. It's got some oil in it. We haven't done anything else to it at all. So let's see if she does go. Is stone cold, hasn't been run. So let's see what sort of fuss she kicks up. Fresh fuel. Can't smell any petrol yet. Ooh, little cough then. He's such a little bugger to get going. Okay, give it a little bit of a prime. Hold the choke open. Blimey, it does not want to go. Going pretty well.